Question 1. Alcohol vending machines should be legalized because I believe that they would be profitable for retailers. According to the text on page 146, paragraph 2, more than 95% of vending machine sales comes from beverages and food items. And I believe that alcohol um, falls into that category. I think that the controls in place are adequate, such as in the article A6-1 vending machine experiment at an end, where the customer has to swipe an ID, blow into an alcohol sensor, and look into a surveillance camera in which a state employee is monitoring the camera and checking the verification before they let the sale go through. I think that teens will always find a way to get alcohol, regardless of whether it's in a vending machine or not. And I don't think that they would necessarily want to hassle with a vending machine when they know that it's under surveillance. Question 2. Marijuana machines should be legalized because according to the article, recreational marijuana users could get pot from vending machines. The products would have to be sold from inside of a retail outlet. There would still be controls in place, such as in the article self-service pot, where patrons had to show ID to enter the establishment, as well as to submit ID once again at the actual machine. I think that marijuana machines would be a little safer for patrons as opposed to buying marijuana from Joe standing on the corner, because at least with the machines, customers would know that the marijuana should be safe and the retailer could be held responsible for marijuana that wasn't safe, as opposed to Joe on the street who could be mixing anything into the marijuana, any type of dangerous substances to stretch it and cause some pretty bad reactions or maybe even death. Okay. And for question 3, I believe that cigarette vending machines should not be legalized because I don't think that the controls in place are strong enough to prevent children or teens from purchasing cigarettes. From a retailer's point of view, I think that it would be a waste of time because according to the text on page 146, paragraph 2, cigarette sales have declined from 25% to less than 1%. The text also goes on to state that the greatest sales for vending machines are in elementary schools, hospitals, and nursing homes, to name a few. And those are places where cigarettes probably shouldn't be sold, not only for moral reasons, but for health reasons as well.